Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Fortnite crash reporter. If you're seeing this issue, so I'll tell you how you can fix that easily. First of all, open the Epic Games launcher inside your PC or laptop, and once you have opened it, so make sure that you're using the latest version of Epic Game Launcher before you go to the Fortnite. You can just go to the settings and check if you have any update, fix that, restart it, and after that hopefully your issue will be fixed. Now the second thing that you can try is just like delete or uninstall your game like completely from this, like Fortnite. Delete Fortnite, and once you delete everything from it, just try to reinstall, and hopefully after that your issue will be fixed. You can try both these settings and hopefully one of them will work for you. And if you still face the issue, make sure that you have all the files related to the Fortnite before you go before you face any kind of problem. So make sure to again download it, check the website if they have any update or any extra files which must be installed. Make sure to download them as well, and once you download everything, after that hopefully all your problems will be solved and you can just play your game easily inside your machine. So that is a simple and easy process. Make sure to try it, restart your laptop and PC after that as well, and hopefully your problem will be solved.